Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add any story in your Facebook account. So if you want to add any picture from your gallery as a story in Facebook, simply click on this create story button in the home tab. So once you have clicked on the create story button, it will ask you to select the image that you want to share it as a story. Then from your gallery, which is being listed here, you can choose any image that you want to be shared as a story. So for example, I want this image to be shared as a story. Then once the image is in canvas, you may simply resize it or perform any other operations which are listed as follows. Then once you are done doing that, you may simply click on this share button at the bottom corner. Once you have clicked on the share button, you can see that your story is being shared. It might take a little while to share the story. Then just wait for the process to get finished. And once the story has been finished processing, you can see that your story has been successfully updated into your Facebook account and other people can see it. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.